Are you waiting for your Cash App card and wondering where it is? Don't worry. In this quick video, I'll show you the easiest way to track your Cash App card directly from the app and get an accurate delivery update. Stick around till the end so you don't miss a crucial tip that can save you time and frustration. First, open your Cash App and log in. On the home screen, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. This is where all your account settings live. Next, scroll down and select Support. Once you're inside the Support menu, choose Something Else to see more options. From there, tap Cash Card. This is where you can handle everything related to your card. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Contact Support. When asked what your issue is about, select Not About a Transaction. This will make sure you're connected to the right team. Now, tap Chat to start a live chat with a Cash App representative. Once you're connected, simply type in your question. For example, has my Cash Card been dispatched yet? Or can you give me the estimated delivery date? The representative will check your order status and give you the latest update right away. Key tip. Here's a pro tip. If you've been waiting longer than 10 business days, let them know. Sometimes they can issue a replacement or escalate the issue if the card was lost in the mail. And that's it. A quick and simple way to track your Cash App card using the in-app chat feature. If this tutorial helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more helpful Cash App tips, and drop a comment below if you still have questions. Thanks for watching.